Hi, my name is Thomas Merritt. I'm a professor at Laurentian University where I have a Canada Research Chair in bioinformatics and genomics. As part of DNA Day, I've been asked to address a question about the role or possible role of God or gods in genetic complexity. So the question is, are we finding proof today that everything religion has been teaching us is slowly making more sense with the advancement of genetics to explain to us all the different mutation God and gods had to perform in order to create us? So the short answer to that question is no. The longer answer, probably the better answer, is we don't have any evidence to suggest that. Science is about trying to find the simplest explanation to things that we're observing. Genetics is incredibly complicated, it's incredibly complex, biology is incredibly complex. And a lot of the last 10 years has been really showing us how complex it is, but nothing that we've seen requires any sort of god, or gods, goddesses, any sort of supernatural being holding the puppet strings and making us do, or having started off the whole process. Um, in absence of any evidence to suggest that there's a god or a gods there, we don't think there is one. Science always works within its society. We're not right. Most of what we know, in fact, we're not right on. But science is based on making the best guesses that we can, given the evidence that we have at hand. And so far, I don't think anybody has seen any evidence that requires any sort of supernatural being. That doesn't mean there isn't one. It just means that we don't have any evidence to suggest that there is one. I hope that answers your question. Thanks.